G'day everyone. Today, Cleaver Day. This one is the thinnest at about 1.3 mil, but it's the one that gets the roughest treatment. It's used for chopping noodles on a bench. So I think I might give this one probably maybe a 40-degree angle, maybe 30, depends how it looks. This one is a 2 mil, quite high quality, X50. Mesomeister are a great brand, and this one will definitely be getting a 30. And this one is the thickest one, so that one's around about 2 mil. This one's around about 2.3 mil, and it's used for fine work as well. So I'm going to try and give this one a 30. If not, maybe a slightly higher angle, or lower angle, sorry, so sharper, maybe at a 26 or something like that, because he really enjoyed this one. This one is a number 2 from Shibazi.com. So now that's a lot of grinding, so I'll probably do some time lapse and then we'll get together again for the final tests. Done. So let's have a look at the bevels, because I did them all at 30 degrees. And so what I'm going to illustrate now is at 30 degrees, the same angle, the bevel size can vary depending on the thickness of the blade. So this one is the thinnest one at 1.5 mil. You can see it's got a beautiful bevel there. This one is, let's say, at around about 2 mil. Can't remember the exact sizes, but I did measure them before. Right, a little bit larger. Beautiful edge. And this one, the largest, at about 2.5 mil. This one took a while, but with this one you can see the layers. See the core shining through there on the second layer? You can see that fine line going through. There you go. See that fine line? That's the core and the clad. Right, one of them, well actually 2 of them needed new edges created on the linisher over there. So let's test them. First of all, we use telephone book paper. Whew. Second, we use tally-ho, which is 17 GSM reliably. That's why I like to use it. Let's have a look at this one. Beautiful. 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 Well, we've got the best tester out. Let's see if they measure up nice. $106. $90. 118. That's perfectly acceptable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.